Hey guys, so today's going to be this vibrant pink and indigo halo eye. Sorry about my Rudolph looking nose. I'm just getting over a cold. The other day when I blew my nose, it sounded like a record player when the needle hits the record. But yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then please just keep on watching. So first with my Babliyan blending brush, I'm going to go into my Sleek Acid palette, and I'm going to take the hot pink color right there, and I'm just going to blend that throughout the whole eyelid and also a little above the crease. Now with my Nyx Jumbo crayon and milk, I'm just going to kind of create a half halo kind of look, and this is going to be my base to make the blue shadow pop. Now going into my Beauty's Factory 120 palette, I'm going to take this indigo blue down here, and with my RK by Kiss small eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to start packing on the color onto the base, and I'm just gonna be very careful right here that I don't get it all over the pink shadow. And then I'm going back over the other side as well to make the color more vibrant. And then with the Babliyan brush and more of the pink color, I'm just going to intensify the crease a little bit more as well. And then with my hard candy in Wink Wink eyeliner, I'm just going to go along the waterline with this color. And then with this bold lip color in pink, I'm gonna just go under the blue with this liner. Now with my Total Temptation mascara, I'm just going to pop this on both of my lashes. And then with my BB Skin face primer, I'm just going to prime my cheeks and my forehead, my nose, all over the place. So I've always taken a liking to this BB Skin stuff because after when I put my foundation on, it goes on very smoothly and my skin's not dry. So now for foundation, I'm taking my Fit Me foundation in Buff Beige. It's the dewy and smooth one. And I'm taking my Ultimate Blending Brush by e.l.f. and I'm just going to blend out the foundation on my face everywhere. With my Ruby Kisses large powder brush, I'm going to take this blush and I'm just going to blush my cheeks. Give it that little bit of added pink. And then for lip color, I'm taking my Lime Crime matte lipstick in Rave. I liked the way the color looked paired with the eyeshadow, so I went in for it. Sorry, I'm a little bit sporadic today. This cold's got my head in a knot. But yeah, this is the finished eye look. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to see more like it, please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!